Hello and welcome in France. We are the network of social center. We are 1,300 local organizations everywhere in France. We also have local federation and a national federation to coordinate all the network. Don't worry, I'm not going to talk about everything we do for the young people in social center because it's the same for you, I guess. There's a lot of stuff. We welcome toddlers, children, teenagers, and even young adults. What I wanted to share with you is how we think about youth work and how together we have decided a few years ago to really support youth empowerment. And let me explain.
Participation is our goal, but it's also the goal of the youth politics, the states, also about young adults. But we observe that sometimes there is not enough space for real participation. Sometimes for them participation is to invite young people to sit around the table on a meeting and say, "Oh, it's great. We have some young in our organization," but it's not like that for us. The network and my organization, they wrote a text which is called the Youth Motion. It's a political text who say, all right, we work with all the network about how we can increase, how we can raise our youth work and to make it more about empowerment and not just about sharing activities or sharing going out or doing some cultural stuff with the teenager in the social center, but to go deeper about what are their issues and to try to work with them starting from their issues. And then we have a mutual funding, which is money that we can share in the network, in the youth field. That means that the federation or the social center, the network, when they are trying to change the way we work with the teenager, they can ask for money in this common funding. If we want to change our way to work, we need training for youth leader. So that's the first thing that we also help to fund and to build. What is important to share in those training, for example, is to experiment different way of work with kids. Sometimes this one is good, sometimes this one is not, and try. And you see by yourself when it's not working. It's not just about the training, it's also the meeting between the youth worker. They don't need an expert, they don't need a training, just to speak together and to say, all right, today our work changed. Those meetings are very important to share the practice and to say, right now the job of a youth leader in the social center is this, and the aim is this. I can share about this action, which is like a youth network meeting in different cities each year, and it's like for 1 week we have 150 young adults from all of the network. We organize this big meeting and we also organize with them. Each year they choose a topic that they want to share, that they share in their life, they share in school. They don't live in the same cities or in the same even way of life, but still they all the time share a lot. To organize like a debate could be simple, but we are not doing that often. And all the time a lot of good things are going out of those debates because they understand different point of view, they understand that there is a solution when there is issues, and most of the time the solution is to be organized together. It's also important for the people who are elected to see that the youth have a point of view actually.
Nous, jeunes des centres sociaux, considérons que nous sommes tous et toutes concernés par l'urgence écologique. Nous ressentons le besoin de prendre nos responsabilités et d'agir pour le futur. En tant que jeunes, nous avons un regard, un point de vue sur ce sujet que nous avons travaillé collectivement pour l'enrichir et nous nous sentons légitimes à porter cette parole collective.
What I can see right now, it's the young adults who are really involved, it's not magic. It's because they had a journey, kind of. Because when they were in the social center, they start to go to the leisure time, and then they start to organize their own leisure, and then they start to build a project, and then they say, okay, but if I can do it for me, maybe I can do it for all of them, not just for me. And then the local federations maybe invite them to some meeting with some elected people, and then they discover that they have a voice, they can be listened, they get confident, and then the journey is growing like that. And at the end, we have some young adults who have really a lot of experiences about how to be a volunteer in this field, and that's it. It's not magic. It's actually the several shade of our proposition, of our work, who is together making something interesting for the young adult